Google Docs allows a user to provide feedback to another user through the comment feature. To add a comment to a document, simply click or highlight where you would like to provide feedback. The next step is to go under the Insert menu at the top of the document window and choose Comment. The keyboard shortcut for this feature is Control plus Alt plus the M key. In this example, I am using the comment feature to make a student aware of errors within her document. Although in this case I am highlighting errors, I can also use this feature to provide suggestions to the student for expanding an idea being expressed. The comment feature can also be used in the process of peer editing, where classmates can easily provide feedback to other students within the document. After adding a comment, the text will be highlighted within the document, and the comment will appear on the right side of the document for the user to view.